Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Friday, September 30th, 2011. Today we had a total of 11 executable trade signals for a max potential of 58 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 38.75. And we were not in what we would consider a high probability gap trade. The market had fallen off quite a bit in the overnight, and as soon as we opened, the market continued to push down in that direction. And it wasn't until we started to get in towards our news announcements. It was the Chicago PMI, and for most of you, if you have a news feed service, they'll tell you that the announcement is at 9:45, but there's actually a paid service, and they release that information 3 minutes early. So you can see here at 9:42, boom, the market shoots up. It gives us a buy signal. This first little move, there was actually a buy signal here, but we missed our entry by a tick. It didn't fire, so we waited to get into this next little pullback here. First contract we were able to get off, ended up getting stopped out on the remainder, T1 minus 2, but that sent us right into an extension to the downside. That extension did work out for targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks. And the market kind of was just doing this little back and forth thing. If you were watching this morning, we were basically moving sideways, but they were large swings, and it gave us a lot of opportunities. And we were kind of in a longer-term downward trending channel. If you'd pull up like a 60-minute chart and look at a 24-hour basis, you can see the last 2 or 3 days we've just kind of been rotating in this wide channel. And today's pattern took us in that same motion. But starting out, we were kind of back and forth. We had a little reset. There was not a signal long, but on the 9:55 news announcement, consumer sentiment, the market again came down through our moving average. Again, fast move. Again, an extension to the downside. Targets 1 and targets 2 were hit on that level for 6 ticks. Then at 10 o'clock, we pushed down towards yesterday's lows, found a little base there, came through our moving average, gave a nice signal long, a nice full swing. 12 tick, targets 1 and targets 2. And the market pushed up and actually did close the half gap level before coming back down through the moving average. Set up another full swing entry, targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 14 ticks. And then I believe there was one last rotation before the lunchtime dead zone. Sure was. Came through our moving average, targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks. So the morning was just absolutely fantastic. Large swings, a lot of opportunities. You know, Fridays we like to trade a little more cautious and maybe take our size down by half, not to give up our week and that kind of thing. But this morning the swings provided ample opportunities. Now the red area you see on the chart here, that's lunchtime dead zone. We don't do anything there. We wait until after 1:15, and then we start looking for our opportunities again. And you can see we had a nice swing to the upside, targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks. Again, a fast move here, 2 o'clock. You can see how it kind of fell off a cliff. The extensions are given away by the speed of the move, and you can see that the market fell off hard, gave an extension short, targets 1 and targets 2, the downside for 8 ticks there. And then we got into kind of this 2:30 to 3 o'clock time frame, and it was just a lot of back and forth price action. And for us, we had 3 trades right in a row, 1, 2, 3, all of them. We're able to get the first contracts, no follow through to the downside, so they were all T1 minus 2 stop outs. So all in all, it was just a fantastic day. You couldn't ask for a much better Friday. 11 trades, 58 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of this screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.